What is up, you guys? It's me, Thomas, the sports news here. I know I got the camera here, but not there. So I want to talk to you guys because the Maple Leafs lost today. And what I'm going to do is like that. So the Maple Leafs lost to the Colorado Avalanche. You know what the score is? 6-3. And when I saw the score, I said, whoa, the Maple Leafs have the all night. But a lot of people go blame on Frank Anderson. I am not blaming on Frank Anderson. You know why? Because he come back from injury. If he come back from the game, you know he's not going to be 100% to play the game. You know that he's not 100%. And yeah, that's what happened when it comes back to the game of hockey. So, Frank Anderson was not that good tonight. The Maple Leafs would have got a goal. I think they got a tickle goal, I think. But I did not know because I missed the hockey game. I missed it. So I caught it a little bit off, but I think it was. Now if Boston was tonight, I think today, Boston and Toronto are tied for second place. If Boston gets second place, we're gonna have a problem. That means we don't get the first game for our whole night. Probably until I hope we get the second place. But this game was not that good. A lot of people told me, oh, well, we're going to get a blue line when we face the blue line. I hope they face the blue line because it's very, very weak in that game. But I give credit to Colorado, they play well in that game. But as the Maple Leafs, it's sad when they lose. So, I hope they can win the next game. I did that till Wednesday. But we will see what happens during that game. So, the Maple Leafs, I don't think they will play until Thursday. And I think a couple of weeks they got a week off pretty soon. They got 5 days off pretty soon. So, yeah. So, anyway, guys, that could be it for a video for tonight. There will be a videos for tomorrow. Tomorrow is the day off. Don't forget to watch the Boston game on Wednesday, where Boston play against Toronto. Or Toronto play against Boston. Then I think the Big Blues will play on Thursday. I think. Or Wednesday. I don't know. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. And yeah. Don't forget. Yeah, I only need one more subscriber to hit that 100 subscribers. I hope I get it soon. Anyway, guys, I will see you guys next time.